What's up, guys? This is part 2 of the Tacoma Better Light install. I just wanted to show you guys how everything turned out. If you didn't check out part 1, go check that out. I showed you how to run the wires and everything that I did using whatever I had. So I think it turned out great. Let's go check it out. So everyone who owns a 3rd generation Tacoma knows how annoying it is to be out in the dark like it is right now and have no lights in the back of your bed. It's annoying if you're trying to get something, if you're camping, overlanding, whatever it is. It's just a real pain in the butt. So we installed some Tacoma bed lights, well, some DIY bed lights into the Tacoma's bed, and I think it turned out great. So let's stop talking, let's just do it. So the lights are off when the tailgate's up. So let's pull this tailgate down and see what's up. And look at that. And I think it looks awesome. Now, 6 LED lights, amber color, same as the front grille. It's a package that I had bought, had some left over. I thought it would be great to use the same lights in the Tacoma bed. And I think it's really awesome. It's not super bright, it's not painful to the eyes, and you can see whatever it is that you need to in the back of the bed. So let me show you a little close-up. I got those 2 angled down, this one angled outwards, and the same thing on this side. The 2 in the rear kind of angled down, and this one just angled out. And really I was gonna do them all this way, angled straight out, but the wire was pulled a little too taut and just couldn't do it. So if you're gonna do this and you wanna have it angled out. All right, so I apologize for that. Security just rolled up on me. He didn't know that I'm MOS. Anyway, forget about that. So where were we? The wires were pulled a little bit too taut, so I couldn't really have them like this, straightforward. So if you're gonna do it, just leave a little bit more wire. I was trying to be exact, and it didn't really bite me in the butt. I'm still getting a great projection of light, so I'm not mad at all. Now, these are just stuck on with some 3M tape, and look at this. I'm really giving this a shake, and you know, it's held on there great, and it's just stuck right to the bottom of the rail. And I think it looks freaking awesome. I think it came out great. It's a nice clean setup, and if you saw, all the wires that we had out and exposed are all tucked in and covered up under the cap, the bedside's cap, and it looks really great. I think it turned out awesome. Now it is hooked up with the pin switch, and the pin switch is right down here. So when the tailgate's up, the lights come off. When the tailgate's down, the lights are on. Now, like in part 1, we were saying, you know, what if it's daytime, you want to have the tailgate down, and you just don't need the lights on, draining your battery. So, like I said, we hooked up. I had these male-female connections, these quick disconnects, and I hooked one of these up right here. And if the tailgate's down in the day and I don't need the lights, I can just disconnect this, and all of the lights will power off. That way we're not draining the battery. So tell me what you think. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Help me to grow the channel for more little awesome mods like this. And it's really cheap to get it done if you want to do it yourself, and it's not difficult at all. So smash that subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment, and I will be glad to get back to you. Enjoy. Take care.